Hi everyone, welcome to Love Lens and Happy New Year. Ever wondered why women disappear, only to reappear later? The mystery behind it all unfolds right here. It's a question that has puzzled many, and the answer lies in understanding the dynamics of ghosting. Women typically ghost men for three main reasons. First, they want to see if the man will chase them. It's a test of interest and commitment, a game of cat and mouse if you will. Second, they might not be ready for what the man has to offer. Perhaps the relationship is moving too fast or the expectations are too high. Third, they may not be genuinely interested, but don't want to communicate that directly. In each scenario, the desired result for women who ghost is the same. They want the chase and thrive on attention. Ghosting can be emotionally draining, leading to feelings of abandonment and self-blame. But is it really your fault? Ghosting isn't always a bad thing, it can be a favor in disguise. Let's dive deeper into this intriguing concept. Imagine this scenario. You've been ghosted. At first, it may sting, leaving you puzzled and perhaps a bit insulted. But remember, someone who lacks the emotional maturity and communication skills to properly end things isn't really someone you want in your life, is it? Being ghosted can be a wake-up call, a sign that you're investing time and energy into someone who simply doesn't deserve it. So instead of wallowing in confusion or disappointment, seize this opportunity to refocus on yourself and your personal growth. Maybe you've been neglecting a hobby or a passion, or perhaps there's a new skill you've been meaning to learn. Now's the perfect time. What you must understand is that indifference can be a powerful tool. Men often feel the need to chase after women who ghost them, hoping to win back their attention. However, this can be an exercise in futility. Instead, remaining unbothered and indifferent can turn the tables in your favor. Women are not used to men not pursuing them, and this can spark their curiosity, leading them to start chasing you instead. But don't mistake this for a game or a strategy to win someone back. It's not about that. It's about understanding your worth and refusing to let anyone treat you as less. It's about realizing that you are not defined by someone else's inability to see your value. So when a woman ghosts you, don't let it consume you. Don't allow it to become a reflection of your self-worth. Instead, use it as a catalyst for growth and self-improvement. Let it remind you that you have the capacity to enrich your life in so many ways, without the need for unnecessary drama or emotional turmoil. Chasing a woman or becoming overly emotional is seen as insecure and a waste of valuable time. Remember, you hold the majority of power, capacity to grow, and add value to your life without unnecessary drama. Ghosting isn't a reflection of you, but of the person doing the ghosting. Let it be their loss, not yours. Ghosting can be viewed as an opportunity for personal growth, leading to logical thinking, finding new hobbies, and benefiting future endeavors and relationships. When a woman ghosts, it's natural to feel a pang of rejection. But instead of dwelling on feelings of abandonment, consider it an opportunity to reflect and grow. It's time to shift the focus back onto yourself and your purpose in life. Your purpose is the driving force behind all that you do. It's the element that transcends petty situations like a woman's unresponsiveness. When you focus on your purpose, you realize that your time and energy are valuable assets, and they should be invested in activities and people that contribute to your growth and happiness. In the face of ghosting, it's crucial to maintain a level-headed approach. Overly emotional reactions are a clear indication that there are areas in your life that need improvement. Perhaps it's your self-esteem or your ability to handle rejection. Use this moment of introspection to identify these areas and work on them. Embrace new hobbies, engage in activities that you love, and surround yourself with positive influences. These actions will not only distract you from the ghosting, but also significantly contribute to your personal growth. Remember, emotional resilience is a skill, and like all skills, it can be developed. So use this experience as a stepping stone towards becoming a stronger, more self-assured individual. If someone doesn't value your time, letting them go is considered a favor to yourself. Ghosting can be an opportunity for personal growth. Next time you find yourself in a situation where a woman ghosts you, remember, your time is valuable. Don't exhaust your energy chasing, instead channel it towards personal growth. Discover new experiences, enrich your life, and stay focused on your purpose. The absence of someone who doesn't value you can be a blessing in disguise. It's a chance for self-improvement and to foster logical thinking. The power is in your hands to build a fulfilling life without unnecessary complications. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you later.